How we all doing? Let me just get a post here. Oh, I gotta change the thumbnail for this. The thumbnail right now on the YouTube live is market crash. Probably need to change that. Stream settings, stream health. I don't know. I see how to change it. Well, I'm not going to do it at this exact moment. We have a market open to worry about. Goldman Sachs giving a trigger here for a continuation. Markets are doing a good job of consolidating at the highs. Typically, you'd like to see this. We're playing that continuation. I'm just a little bit more cautious and probably going to be a little bit slower this morning due to the extent of the rally that we've taken from the market. So I'm actually looking for a backtest to form today. We don't have many traders with us this morning. It looks like it's a slow morning for NBT. Goldman Sachs was a top watch for me, but I kind of wanted I think normally I would have been taking that one. I really like the setup here. It's kind of like a cup and handle on the daily with the 2-day just now, like confirming the move here. It's looking good. Let's see how the first 5 for the play out for the market. I'm going to be pretty patient this morning. I'm going to look at some Irene 50s. Doji on the 5-minute, but getting a nice continuation. I like the back test of that gap down and then it immediately defends. Oracle already at the previous day's highs, getting that test right now. Yeah, I just got the alert. NQ giving long confirmations, but Definitely not the strength of the past 2 days. Unity right to the trigger too. I'm watching how these Irene premiums are acting right now, and I don't love it. Our AI bot that's mentioning that Hammock is live, Fed's Hammock. He's talking about inflation risk from energy prices versus job market stability. We have manufacturing around noon. Consumer discretionary tech leading the way. Energy and materials weak. AI bot thinks that dips are buys this morning. My music stops. Slower morning. IonQ had that news with the video yesterday. That was pretty interesting. On the new open AI model that's supposed to advance quantum. What does that mean? I don't even know. Weren't very clear on what it was going to do. All right. I'm going to try Irene over Oracle and see if this wants to chase it. I bought the 50s. I'm running a pretty tight stop on this one. Yeah, there's some signs of weakness out here. I want to know how. Slow market this morning. I need Irene to make the move fast here. We need to break the previous day high right here, or I'm just going to cut because it's stagnant. You know what's tempting right here is actually take a short on NQ and look for the puke. I'm getting triggers on Oklo. Lots of strength in nuclear. I wonder if SMR is participating. Nice evening star on NQ, by the way. Let's keep an eye on this. I don't hate the way Oklo looks, but I might want to be a little bit more patient. I'm going to raise my trigger. Good morning, Benny. All right, well, time to shake it off and get ready for the day, brother. I actually really like the way this is puking. Irene's still holding the bullish EMA here on the 5-minute. I'm gonna keep an eye on it though. It might be a quick stop. I like the way NQ's looking here. I'm gonna try a short on NQ right here and look to see if we get a fast continuation. Yeah. Hmm. I'm gonna market's open, brother. I'm in a trade right now. Up 300 on futures right here. Nice plunge. I'm taking the 300 here as we test the bullish support. But I'm going to be eyeing to look for a continuation here. Looking for another re-entry. Just a nice base hit. Watching this right here. For those watching on YouTube, I have this on another screen as well. Multiple time frames looking for confluence. I'm on YouTube every morning for the first hour now. That's a real nice plunge. That's a real nice continuation. This looks like the beginning of a real retracement here. Um, I want to cut Irene, but it's actually being very well behaved. So I'm going to continue to be patient with it, even though it's a little stagnant. I really like the way the contracts are. We're holding it up really well, but still fine. That 5 minutes cracking. I'm going to call it. 2 seconds after say I like the way it's behaving, I'm out. Be like that. I'm watching this. This is a nice back test. This is where I'm going to try a re-entry. That was the quickest stop in the world. Holy. Try a re-entry here. Hit my stop there. All right, bullishness is still out there. Was I not streaming in Discord this morning? Oh, my bad. All right, orb is set now. quickly going nowhere. We're gonna quick denial of the pre-market high. So I'm just letting it play out here. I'm not finding anything super convincing right now. What in the Morning Star right there? I'm being super patient. It's just consolidating. That's a really nice failed breakdown from Hood. Continuation. I wonder how Chinese names are doing. Baba failed yesterday's high. Now you got two tests there, so if you do break it, it is going to be really appealing. I do want to take a look at, let's see if it fails to break down here. This market showing some strength. Ooh, that's a big evening star formation. Morning star into an evening star. Man. Max consolidation. They ate up that bearish candle, huh? I'm eyeing some puts and shorts. Do we want this? We want this test the high. How are we gonna react at the orb high, baby? It was well there. If faked the new high, but there's no confirmation. Nice rounded top forming here for short. We'll just be patient. Being patient. Silver's over the previous day's high is looking good, but still not getting that still not getting that hourly confirmation I want. Let's take a peek at what our AI thinks right now. Suggests underlying strength despite thin early session data. Expect tighter ranges until volume builds, which is fair. I mean, honestly, the R vol is higher than it's been the past 2 days because it's been a low volume melt up. Super discretionary leading, probably because of the Bank of America report that surprisingly strong consumer right now. Okay, I'm gonna try to feel out some SPY puts. I'm buying the 690s for next week. I'm keeping it small. All right, there's a lot of exhaustion here into the top of this orb. I'm going to try to feel out a short, despite it looking pretty strong. I'll come in here with a wider stop than usual and see if we get a rejection here. Let's see if I'm a little too early to this idea. I am trying to pick a high, which means that this is low quality setup. God, my fill on Top Step was freaking awful, by the way. Like, I don't even know how it filled me all the way down there. Irene is giving the move. Doji here. Let's see if this turns into Evening Star. Morning. Nice job. Yeah. Oh, really? Are you on the 1 minute? Huh? Top of the morning to you, laddie. That's a big engulfing candle. Holy. I want another leg lower. I don't know if we're going to get it. Yeah, it's kind of it's looking like another mechanical melt up so far, but there's participation is fading though, fading pretty broadly. Even even like lots of tech is weak here. He's they're cutting me up on futures right now. Benny's right. Good job, Benny. He's learning. None of that should have could have would have. No, no, no. It's 26 8 66 50. So you got 800 points to go. It's done too much. The past 2 days have been insane. So I'm coming in today with more bearish bias, bearish chop is what I'm thinking. I'll try another short here. And I have a pretty wide target. I'm looking for the what how it never even got close. I don't know how I got stopped on that. It never even got close to my stop. They're faking this out. I'm going to widen out even more. I'm going to sit in this. Short's working, but it's defending the top of the orb. I wanted to break the orb. You broke the bullish trend line. You're trying to defend here. Let's see if we can get another leg lower. Did you say Microsoft? Who's the leader on the day? What did you say? You didn't say Microsoft? What did you just say? Yeah. Oh. That's why you called out Microsoft. I was like, Microsoft. It is really strong this morning. I mean, this is a really bullish close on this candle. That's a hammer. So what we need is, because what they're doing is they're defending the bullish EMA here. And what I need to see is a second candle confirmation through the top of the orb. Because we broke it, but we didn't get a confirmation. So I'm looking for that next leg lower. Let's see if this is the real peak right here. This is where I can kind of start tightening up my stop. There you go, baby. Break the orb. Break the orb. At least take me to 48. Oh, wait for the 5 minutes to confirm the rollover. That'd be great. All right, we're getting a 3-bar confirmation. I'm going to move my stop to break even. Oh, I don't like this turning green. I really don't want to get stopped. I'm gonna widen it out again. I could be in for some pain, but I don't want to get stopped on this. I actually still like this. Let's see how long I have to sit in it. Yeah, I'm waiting for the 5 minute to confirm it isn't. The 5 minutes just sideways here. Just in consolidation. It's not convincing of anything right now. The 15 minutes running really hot and setting up a doji, so I'm kind of wondering if this will turn into an evening star and we'll get a fat rejection. Lots of exhaustion here. Give me the rejection. I'm going to add another short. Kind of alert on coin. Coin mooning? Coin is mooning right now, even without Bitcoin really mooning. I can't believe they just stopped me out of that short, dude. That's crazy. I'm gonna, I'm gonna try it again. I just, it doesn't look like they're just stopping me out. I'm gonna close that one early. I'm gonna add another spy put here. I'm gonna slowly add to these even as it gets higher. Such atypical, like, because look, the way that they flipped the TTM there on the 1 minute, no real breakdown. I could be off. We could just have another full melt up day. It's a highly unusual flip there. I might still be in these like squeezy conditions. Your heat map really is not improving at all, though. Okay, moving stop to break even here. Don't fully back test again. Just give me the rejection. We got the 1 minute. Looking like it's going to flip. I'm going to be ballsy. I'm going to add another mini. I want a rejection here. Right at the... Okay, getting the rejection. I'll take a partial there. Don't wick me. Don't. Son of a gun, dude. Still up overall on that trade. Flipping the 1 minute again, dude. Not giving us the real breakdown. That wasn't a breakdown. That was a breakdown for ants. We've got to be it. I wonder what the fear and greed is right now, dude. Will we go from extreme fear to extreme greed in like a month or a week? this is actually weird. Stock price strength is still in extreme fear. Market momentum neutral. Put and call options is in greed. Oh yeah, it's dropped substantially. Double top for me. Double top right here for me. Squeezing higher. Yeah, I'm getting a 1 minute confirmation. I'm gonna try it. Dice up. Just give me the pledge. Don't do it. Unreal, man. It's this mechanical squeeze. I know what I'm doing isn't optimal because I'm hunting. I'm trying to pick a top, and I'm trying to look for the full reversal on the day, and I just don't want to give it. So I'm just kind of waiting for the signals, which is the 1 minute TTM, like the momentum rolling over. However, here now it's a bit dicey because they're trying to flip to 65. I'm trying to look for this to be fake though. Your 15 minute is 2 standard deviations overbought right now, but yesterday it got even more extreme than that. I'm just not thinking that we got a third day of this shit. Especially with how slow the market is right here. This looks like a decent doji attempt. Hmm. My spy puts are holding up really well, actually. Oh my gosh, they're murdering me on prop funds right now. I'm starting to form a resistance line on NQ here. There's potentially a short on JPM, but I'm not super convinced by it. I do like the way it's behaving, giving up the previous day's lows. I would just prefer it to come test like 310 and then fail, honestly. Yeah, I'm gonna try an entry here as a stop over the top of this candle. Oh, there we go. It looks like we're finally getting the puke. Up 500 here. But I need a lot more than that. I still just have my stop at break even right here. What's the next candle? What's the next candle? Huh? Gonna be another green candle? You're gonna stop me at break even again? Okay, very greedy, guys. I could have taken the 700, but I'm still in it. Because I'm finally getting my move. So I want to be patient. I'm fine giving it all back up if it wants to play hard to get. This candle's trying to be green. Oh, just give me a rejection. Give me some sign of rejection. Really? Show me some exhaustion. Show me something. Show me something. What sucks is the short still looks so good. All right, I'm gonna try to add. Give me a full rejection. Come on. Plunge it right here. Come on. Don't wake me out, baby. Come on. That's a perfect rejection of the trend line. You can give me more than this. You can give me more than this. Yeah, swallow that previous candle. Swallow it. Swallow it. Oh, you son of a bitch. Come on. Come on. Rejection. Fat rejection right here. Oh, take some profits, dude. Holy crap. What the traders are so greedy right now. They're so greedy right now. Take some profits. Everyone who's doing all this buying right now is gonna lose all their money. It's just not in this moment. They're gonna get fucking rinsed because they're being so greedy right now. I didn't even. Holy crap! They'll get me today, but I'll get my payday. They'll get me today, but they'll sign up for paying tomorrow. Fuck, man. The durability of stupidity is astounding. I got so greedy with the 700 though, quite honestly, because we were up 700 and I was even up like another 250 on the reentry, and I didn't take it. That was kind of on me, honestly. I really wanted us to come all the way back down to the VWAP at 46. Man, the 5 minute was even giving us the confirmation. That's what gave me so much confidence to sit in that short. Is the 5 minute was giving the confirmation. To pull reversal out of that it's so low probability, but it's just a symptom of the environment we're in. I could try a short here with the super tight stop, so I'm going to. Only risking 40. Okay, moving it to break even. They defended that previous candle. I need us to break that previous candle. All right, I got stopped at break even. I mean, it still looks good. I'm going to try it another time. Again, I'm going to write it real tight. Right to the trend line. Still seeing lots of exhaustion. I'm going to try this again. Stop up here. I'm going to add to my SPY puts. Oh, I did not mean to add that much to my SPY puts. Whoops. I bought 5 and I meant to just supposed to be slow, adding a little slower than that. Okay, I'll move to break even again. It already looks like it was to freaking take me out. They're flipping the 1 minute bullish again. Ay, ay, ay. Microsoft with the rounded top here. NQ stronger than SPY. So I got the right index for the short. Still looks like we're failing here. But I can't enter yet. I need to claim rejection. Or I need to turn this into a doji. Turn this candle into a doji and I'll try another short on the futures and try to look for another plunge. Nope, they're giving the bulls confirmations here. I'm not seeing the signs of it. It could fully retrace all the way down. But I don't have a clear entry. Yeah, I mean, I'm literally, I'm gonna end the stream here. We're already past an hour. I'm only gonna be live streaming the first hour of each day. Really slow day for me, which is fine because last 2 days have been just stupid hot.
But this isn't where I try to chase the market higher, as you guys can tell, as I've been trying to short it all morning. Um, I think I've already made the easy profits to the upside over the last 2 days. I've closed most of my bullish positions, and oh, I do love how this just formed. That I'm chasing this. Not the best entry, but a really nice evening star formation right there. Let's see. Unfortunately, have to come in with a wide stop over the top of the previous candle. But let's see if they plunge it all the way back down. All right, I'll end the stream after this trade. We'll see how it goes. I was a little late into this one, which sucks. If they eat this up, I'll be shocked because they have been playing these out pretty well all day. Okay. I need us to down a little bit more before I can go to break even. Because my entry's so poor. Shoot. Shoot. I'm going to have to tighten this up. Nice candle green. It's not what I want. I need a pretty quick denial here. There we go. We are getting it, but it's not convincing. I wouldn't. I'm about to stop it out just because it's stagnant. We're not getting that 3-bar confirmation to the downside. Trying to hold this one out. Come on, give me that puke. Nope. Full reversal. Stop that again. Okay. All right. Well, it's a tough morning. What you gonna do? We're gonna end the stream here. I'm gonna take a break. See you guys tomorrow. Ain't that thing but a chicken wing, baby. We don't worry about it.